Most of us have to work with Microsoft Word document, and sometimes we have to split our columns into two columns, or maybe three columns. So I'm gonna show you how do you split it. So I have this Word document here, so I'm gonna click on it, and then as you guys see that I have two columns here. So you guys have to click on page layout. So and then you guys have to select the columns that you want to split. So as I have two columns here, and you guys have to click on columns. So I'm gonna click on one column here because I have two columns now. So now to split it two columns, I'm gonna click on two, and then you guys, if you guys need to split it into three, then click on three. So it's very simple. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up.